Fashion Diaries. So today I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff I got from Nykaa, and this is a mini haul kind of a video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys want to see what all I got, then please keep on watching. So the first one is this Ellet L'Oreal Satin Spray. This is a hairspray. I wanted this hairspray since a very long time now, and they also have this small packaging which is super cute, and you can also put this in your purse. This is perfect to travel with. Honestly, you can't travel right now, but it's okay. It's fine to have one. Whenever I'm gonna travel, I will just keep this in my makeup kit. So this retails for 750 rupees, and this small one is for 250 rupees. So this is 400 ml and this one is 75 ml. Yeah, the first thing I got is the L'Oreal Ellet hairspray. And moving on to the next product, so I saw this new brand called Dermafique. I don't know if that's how you pronounce this. This is a new brand on Nykaa. This is called Dermafique, and this is their Acne Avert Cleansing Mousse. It's so nice and refreshing. Smells super clean and really refreshing. I've been using this for 2-3 days now, and I'm loving how it feels. It doesn't dry your face, which is super nice. This is the BioIntel system, impedes acne pustules and yields improved dermal appearance. So this is obviously dermatologically tested. This retails for 449 rupees and you get 150 ml of product. And I love the packaging, it's really easy to use. Also, I got this Dermafique Cell by Cell All Skin Type moisturizer. This is their Aqua Cloud Hydrating Cream. A dewy moisturizer that deeply hydrates, nourishes and plumps up your skin. I've also tried this and it's really nice, and the texture is really soft, and it almost feels like a whipped cream, which is super nice on the face. And this one is for 8.99 and you get 200 gram of product. It's a pretty big tub, as you can see, and I just loved using both of these products. So these are the new products I've been using and loving so far. So the facial cleanser and the cream. Okay, now moving ahead. So I wanted to try this foundation since a very long time now. This is the Flower of Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel, and all day wear broad spectrum SPF 18. This also has sunscreen, which is really nice, SPF 18, and this is in the shade Warm Beige L4. Though I would say this is not my shade. This is what I have on my face right now, but this color is really light for me, so I accidentally ordered a wrong shade. What I did is I mixed my darker foundation with this one, and this is how it looks. And you can obviously go ahead and bronze up. I'm also planning to buy the other one, which is 2 shades darker. I hope that's a perfect color for me. So this retails for 990 rupees and you get 30 ml product. So if you guys have seen Nykaa, you must have seen this Matchbox 2 mini liquid lipsticks. And this is in the shade Boss and this is in the shade Gulabe. I have both on my lips. Firstly, I applied this one. This which is Gulabe, and then I went ahead and applied Boss, and this is how the color looks. I am just loving the color. It's really nice. So they are totally transfer proof. I think you guys know how Smashbox lipsticks are, and super creamy when you apply. I think these were for 990 rupees both. So this is a pretty small packaging, as you can see, but I think the lipsticks last you for a long time. So that's that. I got this hand cream from Dermafique. Actually, I got this free. When I purchased both the products, I got this free. And this is their hydrating serum with 10x vitamin E benefits. It fortifies the skin's moisture barrier and prevents collagen breakdowns. And it smells so good. I just love using this. So I also got this the Face Shop Yevedam range. So you get this 4 products, mini products, for 849 rupees. This is their Yevedam Pure Brightening Travel Kit, and I love using travel kits because you get to try new products and they are pretty affordable. So firstly, you get this Pure Brightening Cream. This is how it looks. It's really nice and small packaging, and then you get a toner and also a moisturizer, and this is their Pure Brightening Serum. And let's see how it turns out. I haven't used this yet, but I'm super excited too. So yes, that's it guys. This is all I got from Nykaa, and I'm planning to buy a few more items. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys want me to try some new products and let you guys know how they work, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, I'm planning to do a makeup look. If you guys have suggestion for that, please go ahead and comment in the comment section below. I would love to create something which you guys suggest me. So yeah, that's about it guys. I'll put all the details in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. And also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Makeup and Fashion Diaries. All the details will be in the description box. That's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see such more videos, please give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you guys are notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.